Them this afternoon, not making any excuse. Tell us.
No excuses. I think CC they deserve to win. But what you saw here was one team with 11 days rest and one team with 2 days rest. It's almost difficult. We wanted them to really come and give us another one. We demanded a lot from them. I think today it was a little bit too much for us.
And a good season, I think, for you listening to the cycle.
Yeah, man, most definitely. I think right now my focus is just trying to get these youngsters opportunities. Those who are going pro or those who want to go to colleges, that's my next focus right now. So for me, I think they put enough on the table for those opportunities to come call in. Good.
So, hey coach, rough end, you mentioned the rest. Do you think that this is a logistical issue, or do you think it's just what you have to face when you are successful?
When you're chasing success, things like this happen. They always say the reward for success is more work, right? So I think today, as I said before, I think we had a team who had almost 2 weeks of rest. We had 2 or 3 days of rest. We tried our mechanism to get them recovered, but I think it wasn't enough on the day. Also mentally we're fatigued. It's a long season. We demanded a lot of them. And today we asked them for one more, but it was not there. But CC, Lenny, quality team, and I think they deserve to win.
Yeah, and you speak about Clarendon College. Walk us through their performance, because it was a very outstanding one.
As I said, if you don't have the legs to stay with teams that weave patterns, you're going to be exposed. Today I think we're exposed because we couldn't keep with them. They moved the ball very well, they utilized space very well. But I think we never track well, we never cover well because the legs, in my mind, were not there.
Jamaica College is a senior team. It's a team filled with seniors and veterans. What does this mean for your program this year and going forward?
Jamaica College is always there, will always be there. Whether I am there or not, whether these players are there or not, Jamaica College will always be Jamaica College, because I think we have a structure in place that is second to none.
All right, coach. Coming into the season, people would have spoken about the recruiting of Jamaica College and the quote-unquote JCFC. What are your thoughts on those opinions by people?
I don't have an opinion. At the end of the day, it's all about giving opportunities to others or to youngsters. And once we can give opportunities to youngsters who first are students, then students athletes, I think I have no issue with that.
Yeah. And lastly, Makon Aldrich, Kevon Wilson, Xavier Davidson, Lynch are some of the players that I think will be leaving you next season, right? What do you think the program will look like in those players' absence?
Honestly, I don't know. As I said, right now the focus is not even on next season. The focus is now on the next few weeks into months, trying to get these youngsters opportunities, because at the end of the day, that's what they play the game for. They play the game for professional opportunities or scholastic opportunities, and our job is to get them that. And I think they would have put enough on the table this season to get those opportunities.
And then players like Romain Blake, who will have more seasons in the Manning Cup, though he was a standout player this season. What can you expect from him going forward?
Honestly, I don't know. That's a question for Romain Blake. Excellent player, good leader, good character, very bright future. But as I said, that question has to be posed to him.
Once again, coach, congratulations on a very good season. Thanks for talking.
Yeah, man. Thanks, man.